Alright, let's go over something that is called loops. So, I don't know. Let's say one day I wanted to make my robot run in a square. So, one rotation, let's make it turn, make it go forward again, and then place another one. Let's make it turn again. We'll copy this. We'll paste it back on. Doing good. Okay, you know what? Forget it. Okay, this is way too much. Okay. There's no way that we can make a robot move in a square continuously like this. Not only is it just gonna stop after one full square, but it's just way too cumbersome, way too stressful, way too much memory, and my pitiful computer cannot handle all the lag. So that's why NXT-G has something called loops. It's this little double curvy arrows right here, and you realize that it's different looking for other blocks. So it's not like the move block where it's a square. It looks like a little case, and anything inside this, hold on, let me just give a quick demonstration of what's going on. Basically, how to put blocks in a loop is just to place them on. Just put them in the loop, and then there will be another condition of the loop. So this loop is going to run forever, and I'm just going to show you what's going on right here. So the program start, it's going to enter this loop, and then CB is going to be doing its thing. So it's going to moving forward, it's going to go to the side, but when it hits the side, when it hits the end of the loop, it's going to go all the way back, it's going to start all over. So it's going to move forward, it's going to move to the side, it's going to move forward, it's going to move to the side again. So basically we have this little square function going on all the way around. That is so much simpler, so much easier than just getting a bunch of move blocks, stringing them together, showing it to your teacher, and the teacher says you can have just used the orange little case and watch my videos and stuff. But okay, we made the robot move in a square continuously over for a long time, but that's very boring. Why don't we make the robot stop moving in a square when something happens? If you see over here, if you see the loop over here, you see that you have more options. So let me just click this. You have all of these right here. So I'm going to be going over each one. So sensor, this is practically a wait block. So remember the wait block when something was pressed or something was activated, then it would move on? It's the same deal. So during this loop, in this case, when the touch sensor and port 1 is pressed, it's going to move on to something else. So let's say I wanted to make it say good job afterwards. So it's going to move in a square. I tap the touch sensor and it's going to say good job, and it's going to end it right there. Another thing, oh, and you just have all these options. That's for you to explore. This is time. So let's say I wanted to make the robot move in a square for 10 seconds. So what's going to happen is it's going to move in a square for 10 seconds. It's going to get out of this loop, and it's going to say good job. And you can change that time by directly typing it in. Count. So let's say I just wanted to do this for a certain amount of time. So okay, let's make it 4. Why? Because I just wanted to make it 4. So it's going to move forward, it's going to move to the left. It went 1 time. Okay, it went forward, it went to the side. Okay, it went 2 times. 3, 4, and what do you know? It's going to go 4 times. The robot's going to know, oh, I went through this loop 4 times. I don't need to do it anymore. And it's going to move on to the sound block right here. Now, you may realize that there's something called show counter, and when you click on that, it's gonna show this little stub right here. I'm gonna be going over that later. Do not worry about it. Just completely forget I said that or anything. And another thing that I want you to just ignore for now is logic, because you're gonna have another little stub right here. I'll be going over that later. Don't worry, guys. I will be covering that. Another thing that just don't make this mistake. If you, let's say you don't want this loop anymore, maybe you just want to go forward and side. If you click this and then you hit delete, you realize that everything in the loop just disappears like magic. So just recover all that, just press undo. No need to worry, no need to panic. If you wanted to get rid of the loop, just click and drag everything out and just click this loop and then just delete it. Bam, it's that easy. And that's the tutorial about loops. Thank you guys for watching this. Please leave any comments, please leave any feedback. Tell me if I missed anything, or I'm just being an idiot, or you're awesome, or you suck. Anything that you want, just put it in the comments below. And thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys later.